My name is Manavras. I am studying first class. Today's topic week section months names. SUNDAY Sunday, MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WEDNESDAY Wednesday, THURSDAY Thursday, FRIDAY Friday, SATURDAY Saturday, JANUARY January, FEBRUARY February, MARCH March, APRIL April, MAY May, JUNE June, JULY July, AUGUST August, SEPTEMBR September, OCTOBR October, NOVEMBR November, DECEMBER December. Thank you.